Who was Gruffudd ap Llywelyn, the first and only king to unite Wales under one crown, and one of the most formidable rulers in Welsh history? Ruling Gwynedd and Powys, two of Wales's most powerful kingdoms from 1039, he defeated the Anglo-Saxons of Mercia in that year. Later in his reign, he formed an alliance with Earl Aelfgar of Mercia, sealed by a marriage to Aelfgar's daughter, Ealdgyth. He brought Deheubarth Morgannwg under his rule. So from 1055, for the first time in history, one man ruled the whole of Wales. With his ally Aelfgar, Gruffudd raided Hereford, and he also made more permanent gains beyond Offa's Dyke. Gruffudd ap Llywelyn would govern all of Wales for 8 years, with a major court on the site of Cadw's Twtil at Rhuddlan, where he kept a naval force nearby. But in the summer of 1063, he was betrayed and killed by his own people. After his death, Wales fractured again, with disputes and rivalries complicated by the first Norman invasions soon after 1066. Gruffudd ap Llywelyn remains a towering figure in our nation's history, the first to unite the land and the last to hold it as one. Cadw for us all to keep.